Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to insert a memory card in the new Hero 9 Black from GoPro. Here we have the GoPro, and here at the side we have the compartment. I drag this towards me and I open, and here we have on the side here we have the place to put the memory card, and the memory card will be put in with the front like this inside the hole here. It might be difficult to see. Now I have it inserted and I will press down with my nail. Now it's in there. You can also do this when the battery is in place, but it's easier when the battery is not there. So if the battery is there, take out the battery, then insert the memory card and then reinsert the battery again. That was all for today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.